Imagine driving across thousands of acres of farmland in the American Midwest. Just a few years ago, farmers had to rely on experience, guesswork, and long hours in the field to decide when to plant, irrigate, or harvest. Today, that picture is changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming agriculture across the United States. From drones flying over crops to self-driving tractors and intelligent robots working day and night, farming is entering a new era. But is AI replacing farmers? Or is it becoming their most powerful tool? In today's video, we'll explore how AI is changing farming in the USA, why more farmers are investing in smart technology, and what this could mean for the future of food production. Modern American farms face major challenges. Labor shortages continue to affect many agricultural regions. Weather patterns are becoming more unpredictable. Production costs keep rising, while farmers are expected to produce more food using fewer resources. This is where AI is making a real difference. Instead of treating an entire field the same way, AI allows farmers to manage every section individually. Smart systems collect information from satellites, weather stations, soil sensors, and farm equipment. The software analyzes this data and helps farmers make better decisions based on real conditions rather than guesswork. One of the biggest innovations is the use of agricultural drones. These flying machines do much more than capture beautiful aerial images. Equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, drones can detect crop stress before it becomes visible to the human eye. They identify areas that need more water, fertilizer, or pest control, allowing farmers to respond quickly and reduce waste. Imagine discovering a disease affecting only a small corner of a large corn field. Instead of spraying chemicals across hundreds of acres, farmers can treat only the affected area. This targeted approach saves money, protects crops, and reduces environmental impact. AI-powered drones can also create detailed field maps in just a short time. These maps help farmers monitor crop growth throughout the season, compare plant health over time, and predict potential problems before they become expensive disasters. Another breakthrough is the rise of smart tractors. Unlike traditional tractors that depend entirely on manual operation, today's intelligent machines use GPS guidance, cameras, sensors, and AI software to perform farming tasks with remarkable accuracy. Some systems can maintain perfectly straight planting rows, reduce overlap during spraying, and even optimize fuel usage. Every inch of accuracy matters on large American farms. Small improvements in efficiency can translate into significant savings over an entire growing season. That is why many farmers see AI not as an unnecessary expense, but as a long-term investment that improves productivity while reducing operating costs. And this is only the beginning. The next generation of AI technology is introducing robots capable of identifying weeds, harvesting delicate fruits, and performing tasks that once required large teams of workers. AI continues to evolve. One of the biggest changes is happening in crop monitoring. Instead of waiting until plants show visible signs of stress, AI systems can detect problems days or even weeks earlier. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and special sensors fly over fields, capturing thousands of images in minutes. AI software analyzes these images and identifies areas where crops need attention. This helps farmers apply fertilizer, water, or pesticides only where they are needed, reducing waste while improving yields. Another exciting innovation is AI-powered robots. Labor shortages have become a serious challenge for many American farms, especially fruit and vegetable growers. AI robots are now helping with tasks like planting, weeding, harvesting, and sorting produce. Some robots use computer vision to identify ripe strawberries, apples, or tomatoes and gently pick them without damaging the fruit. Others remove weeds without using chemicals, making farming more environmentally friendly. Smart irrigation is another area where AI is making a huge difference. Water is becoming more valuable every year, especially in drought-prone states. AI systems collect data from soil moisture sensors, weather forecasts, and satellite images to calculate exactly when and how much water crops need. Instead of watering an entire field equally, farmers can irrigate only the areas that require it. This saves water, lowers energy costs, and improves crop health. AI also helps farmers predict the future more accurately. By analyzing years of weather data, soil conditions, and crop performance, AI can estimate harvest times, forecast yields, and even warn about possible disease outbreaks. These predictions help farmers make better business decisions and reduce financial risks. Livestock farming is also benefiting from artificial intelligence. AI cameras and wearable sensors monitor animals around the clock. They can detect unusual behavior, health problems, or signs of illness before farmers notice them. Early treatment keeps animals healthier, improves productivity, and reduces veterinary costs. Many farms are now using AI to manage machinery more efficiently. Tractors, combines, and sprayers connected to AI platforms can automatically schedule maintenance before a breakdown happens. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime during busy seasons and keeps expensive equipment running smoothly. Despite these advantages, AI farming is not without challenges. High equipment costs, internet connectivity in rural areas, and the need for technical training remain major obstacles. Small farms may find it difficult to invest in advanced AI systems. However, technology continues to become more affordable every year, making it accessible to more farmers. Experts believe the future of farming will combine human experience with artificial intelligence rather than replacing farmers. AI can process millions of data points in seconds, but experienced farmers still make the final decisions based on their knowledge of the land and local conditions. In the coming years, AI is expected to become even more advanced. Autonomous tractors may work around the clock with minimal supervision. Swarms of drones could monitor thousands of acres every day. AI-powered systems may recommend the perfect planting date, fertilizer amount, and harvesting schedule for every individual field. The farms adopting these technologies today are preparing for a future where higher productivity, lower costs, and more sustainable agriculture will become the new standard. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic idea, it's already transforming farms across America, one field at a time. Outro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about modern farming, AI technology, and the future of agriculture in the USA. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.